Welcome back to All Sorts. This is Josh. I'm Phil Billy. And this is called a Payday. Now I had one of these last night, and it didn't have all this in it. We looked it up online. It's bartender. She's awesome. At Maggie's. She made this for me. I was like, what's new? It's weird. She's like, how about a Payday? I was like, hell yeah. But we looked this up online. Huh. It's blue. There's a gallon of water. I just sat it down somewhere over here. We looked this up online, and we're going to do it this way first, and then we're going to do it her way. Let's see what's the difference. Yeah. Alright, so 1 ounce of peanut butter whiskey. One ounce of butterscotch schnapps. 1 ounce of salted caramel.
What do I do for you? I get this out of the way. Yeah, for me.
I know, I'm a piece of shit.
I spill shit all over the place though, so it's kind of hard to...
Salted caramel vodka. Is there anything else that goes in this?
No.
That's it?
I guess.
Just 3-way, huh?
See. Check it out right.
I do need the thing, don't I?
You can do the cups together. Just pull it out a little bit.
I'm a terrible fucking bartender.
You gotta pull it out more and more and more. Just keep the ice in it. Hands not built for such agility.
Yeah. Look at that. It's a slow stroll though. Them skills that I got right there though.
You didn't spill anything.
I didn't, did I? Get it right here.
You got to pull it out more. Oh.
Yeah, baby. There we go. That's Payday-ish.
It doesn't really taste like much though.
It tastes like a Payday candy bar though. But she made it with butterscotch schnapps and RumChata.
That's 50-50?
Yeah, but
let's do it.
It was good, but I think with the salted caramel, but she had me put salt on top. I think if you add the salted caramel, that's amazing too. So I would just add RumChata to that. Another part. How much is left in there?
A little. I think if we go like half a shot and try again. What do you think?
Yeah. Let's just put RumChata in it.
But now that's screwball whiskey in it.
Yeah. Peanut butter. Peanut butter and Payday. Just put a shot of that. You get it creamy.
It's good. Alright, I think. Let me try my hand with this shit.
Yeah. Good. Oh, and it's all milky looking. I bet this makes it even better. It's amazing the way we just did it. And it was amazing the way she made it.
No, it was good. I just can't. Like, I didn't think it was.
No, I couldn't wait. Oh my God, that's another level, dude. That's
way
Payday.
better like that.
That's Payday all day.
Absolutely.
That's a Payday all day. Not like a fucking Twinkie. Look you, Twinkie, motherfuckers.
That was amazing.
That is.
I've never had this shit before.
It's so good, dude.
Dang. Rum with real dairy cream. Huh. It really tastes like it's not really much alcohol, but
tastes like horchata when you go to the Mexican joint.
It's fucking sweet.
You see the milk in the thing tumbling? Like, give me some of that.
Hell yeah.
And they give you a plastic cup, straw.
You ever go up to that grocery store by the house?
Oh, hell yeah. I used to go do it when I was over there on Troy.
Oh yeah? I love it.
Dude, you get a burrito, and it's 2 burritos. And it's this big. It's 2 of them that big. And you're like, well shit, 1 burrito will feed the whole family.
No shit, but the thing is, you go there to that fucking deli they got, you get that chorizo.
Yeah.
That shit's wild, dude. It's so good.
Dude, everything.
And you get the, what's it called? The skirt steak. Skirt steak, dude. If you go to a regular store, $1,000 a pound. You go in there, it's like $5 a pound. It's not bad.
They butcher that shit right there. You smell blood when you walk in.
It's badass.
But it's like being in a deli. You can't get over that and don't go. But it's good food.
Add the RumChata to that shot. Makes it way better.
Oh yeah. We're gonna have to do that a couple more times.
I'll do it a couple more times.
That's it. That's a payday.
Thanks.
See y'all later.